Hello, Ryan here. This tutorial is going to show you how to operate ViciDial after you've installed and configured your Zoiper onto your computer. So the first thing you need to do in order to access the dialer is go to dialer.jobswithhope.com. As you can see the address right here in my URL bar. So go ahead and go to this website, and this is what you should see. This is the first thing that pops up. And once you are here, you want to click on Agent Login. So your phone login, that's going to be your phone extension that should have been given to you by your administrative contact that you have for the work from home position. If you haven't gotten your phone login or your phone extension, which is it's a 4-digit number, then you need to contact them in order to get the extension so you can log in. So you have your extension, you need to enter it right here. So mine would be 1051. And then also for the phone login, you need to add a lowercase a at the end. Okay, and then your phone password, and then go ahead and click submit. Now it's going to bring you to your user login screen. So right here, you're going to put in your agent ID that was assigned to you for your user login. So mine, I'm going to put 04. And then the password for your ViciDial, which also should have been given to you by your administrative person that you got going with your account. And then once you put in your password, you want to hit the drop down for campaign, and then select what campaign you need to choose. So for the work from home position, there will be a campaign 21 assigned to you, which is going to be credit repair. So just for training purposes, I'm going to log into the Hope program. And also, before we click submit, you want to make sure that your Zoiper is open and also registered. It's one thing you can check to see if the icon is down here, which mine is not. So I want to go ahead and open my Zoiper. And also from there, make sure it's registered. If you go ahead and click, log in without this, without the Zoiper being open or registered, this will not work. So once I have my Zoiper up and running, it's registered, it's telling me ViciDial is registered, then I want to hit submit. Once I hit submit, you will see the Zoiper will pop up and it will ring as if it's making a phone call. And then it'll ask me to answer it. So you want to answer it, and then once I hit answer, it'll tell me I'm the only one in the in the party or whatever it may say. And then that's exactly what you want to hear. So I'm going to hit submit. As you can hear, it's ringing. So I want to accept the call.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, and it told me I'm the only one in the conference, which is good. That's exactly what I want to hear. So right here, it should take you to this screen next. This is your main screen. And right now, it will not dial out until you hit resume. So if you're ready to go, you're ready to take phone calls, hit resume, and then the dialer is going to start dialing automatically. And once a call is connected, you will hear like a boop sound, and then that will let you know that someone's on the line and connected. So this is a predictive dialer. So one thing you want to keep in mind is once you hear that boop sound, it's already the person on the other line has already said hello. So you need to go right into the script of saying hi. This is your name. From credit options, and then go from the script from there. Okay. So for right now, here's our main screen. This is the information we're going to have on the client. So say we get a client on the line. Their first name is going to be here. Their last name is going to be here. If they input any other information such as address, city, their phone number will be here. Their state, zip code, all the information is going to be right here. In the comment box will be additional information on the client. So, for example, for the work from home position for credit repair, in the comment box will tell you what website the client went to and filled out a form for us to call them for credit repair. So it'll either, for right now, for the majority of them, it'll say creditrepair.com, and then another site we get some data from for people to fill out a survey, and on that survey ask them if they would like some help with the credit. It'll be originalcruisegiveaway.com, so that way you can let them know what site they went to, so that way it could avoid any confusion if they're wondering why we're calling them for credit repair. So all the information will be on this first screen right here. And then also, if you click lead search right here, this is where you can search for a lead. Say you called somebody, you can't find them, you can put their information right here, and search for that person. Okay. Down on the bottom, if you have any active callbacks, so say you're talking with somebody, they want you to call them back, so you schedule a callback. I'll go through how to do that here in a little bit. This is where it will tell you if you have any active callbacks. So say I schedule for a callback for 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, this will be flashing red, letting me know I have an active callback. And then from there, I would just click on it. And if I have any more active callbacks around that time, it will give me a list of the callbacks I have scheduled. Right here, if you need to go into pause mode for whatever reason, say you need to use the restroom, you need to take a break, you're going on lunch, whatever it may be, then go ahead and hit the enter pause mode, and then just select a reason while you're going into pause, your break, lunch, and some other stuff that our call centers use. This is mainly for our call centers. You want to keep track of their time and everything, but for the work from home position, it really doesn't matter what you click and when you go on pause, so on and so forth. Okay, so once you go on pause, your dialer stops dialing. You won't be dialing anymore until you click on resume. So fast dial we do not use. View call log. This will give you a list of people that you've called throughout the day, and then it'll give you the date, time, the length, what status it was, their phone number, full name, the campaign, any information you need on the person. If you need to pull any additional information, click on info, and it will bring up any additional information. And if you wanted to dial that contact all the way on the right, just click dial. It'll bring you to this screen, and then you hit dial now to call that contact, okay? And manual dial as well. If you just want to manually input a number, you click on manual dial. You put in a phone number, and then from there, click dial now, and it'll dial the number that you need to call. So as you can see right here on the left, none of this is lit up right here. It's all gray. Once we get a phone call on the line, then from there, all these will be lit up, and I'll go through them individually here in a second. Here we have a couple tabs up here. The only two tabs we'll be using is ViciDial and Script. So right here would be the Script and ViciDial. So once you get a phone call on the line, the information will pop up right here. Say, it's John. From there, we know it's John. And then from here, we're going to click on our script. And then that way you have it handy. So that way you can continue your phone call and make sure you're getting all the information across. Okay.